Well, everyone, you might be asking yourself what the differences are between within ChatGPT, the regular search option and the deep research option. So when you go ahead and make your way over into ChatGPT, you'll see at the bottom, there's a couple of different options. You can go ahead and have the standard type of option as you normally would, but then there's also a little tool that basically allows you to have the deep research or run the deep research option. Now, there's a couple of differences here for the most part. Number one, you really have to understand how both of these kind of work. Within the regular search option, so if you just go inside of ChatGPT, you just type in your prompt, when you're using your regular search option, all it's doing here is it's going to take in those large language models, so that LLM that they've already created, and it's going to combine that with real-time web browser, data if that's enabled, and it's going to quickly go ahead and give you information based off that, pre-trained model that they have and some online sources. So, some examples I've seen online, I did not make this up, but some examples I've seen online is basically asking like a knowledgeable person, right, who can quickly look things up on the internet. That is basically what's going on with, the regular search. So it's a person who has some experience there, but they can also Google some things here and there to give you a good answer. So its main focus is speed, giving you quick information. And basically the name of the game here is just speed, right? It's not supposed to be the, most complex answer of all time, but it's going to go through and give you a very fast, quick answer if you're in a pinch. Deep research is a little bit different. So what this one is it's not only going through and basically utilizing the same thing as the standard option, the standard search. This is more complex. What deep research ends up doing is it's going to give you multi-step research tasks. It's not just going to go through and pull out just a quick, search as the regular search. It's going to act like a dedicated research analyst for you. It's going to go ahead and make some sort of a research plan. It's going to go through and browse hundreds of online sources. This includes not only, websites, but text, documents, PDF, images, everything across the board. It's going to cross-reference information, and it's going to combine all this information for you, but it's going to take more time. So the answer that you're going to get from deep research is almost like asking a research analyst to go ahead and give you this type of information, and it's going to go out on its own. It's going to take in way more data. It's going to do way more research, and it's going to give you a higher quality answer. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, why doesn't everybody just do this if the answers are way better? It's because it takes way more time. So it can take much longer than these quick answers that you can get within ChatGPT, the standard, the standard search. Sometimes it can take 5 minutes all the way up to even more than 30 minutes, depending on the task that you're wanting it to do. So it completely depends on what you're going to ask it for. But if you have 5 to 30 minutes, to kind of spend, then I think this is a really good option. Depending on the project you're trying to run, this is honestly a really good idea. But if you're I would say for almost every single person watching this video, you're probably going to be okay with standard search, but you'll probably see that there might be some moments where you have to go through and use that dedicated search, like that deep research. And from there, you can kind of change it out depending on what you want to do. So those are kind of the differences. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.